good, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I got my 2014 Wrangler JKU that I'm doing a complete suspension makeover. And today's video, we're going to replace the rear sway bar upper bushings. I got this kit from Rugged Ridge. And the only thing we're going to use out of the kit are these upper bushings right here. So let's get the sway bar links. Whoops, almost fell, almost biffed her. But let's get these sway bar links down and out and get to work. So this is going to be the moment of truth if the sway bar bushing is going to come out in one piece. If it has seized up, let's find out if the bolts are going to come loose. It's coming. Corrosion on there over the years, but maybe we can get it all off in one swoop. There we go. This thing here. There we go. Let's peel her off. So I got some lubricant that I'm going to put on where the bushing is going to be. Squeeze a bunch in there. Remember, these bushings are really hard to split, so the key is to I got a little small pry bar in there so I can spread it open like that. And when I have it spread it open like that, I can push down at an angle to get started and then in like that. Trust me, a little bit of anti-seize is going to go a long ways when it comes to if you ever have to take these out later on in life. I just put the urethane bushings in, so I'm probably never going to have to again, but if you ever have to, now they're done. Right on, right on. I think that's compressed. There we go. There you have it. The rear sway bar bushings are installed. Like I said, I'm doing a complete rebuild of the rear suspension, so I don't have the sway bar links installed, but that's just for the rear bushings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.